So 4 days na akong walang work sa club and sa personal training sa gym, no? At pasensya na sa hindi pa ako nakapag-shave. Okay, sa mahaba akong beard at sa boses kong baritone dahil sa sipon at ubo. But hey, I'm up. To God be the glory, no? In Jesus Christ's name. Because He gave me the energy to take this first step. Alam nyo naman, as a trainer and a bouncer, nasanay akong malakas. Pero I was forced to rest, no? Kailangan natin ng rest. Very important yan. Kailangan listen to your body always. And I learned this: motivation doesn't wait for the perfect body or the perfect beard. Kung feeling mo ang bigat-bigat bumalik, tandaan mo, this simple walk, ito ang pinaka-importante workout ko today. Thanks to Alvin for motivating me. Paring Alvin, I am back in the game. So wag kang ma-pressure, no? So kailangan mo lang simulan labanan mo yung sarili mong kailangan ma-challenge ka. Okay? So parang sa pinto lang yan. Kahit may harang, you stay calm and execute, no? So ngayon, ang execute natin is to move and recover properly. So don't be afraid to take it light. Okay? Listen to your body. That's smart training. Okay? Don't be shy, no? Walang hiyaya sa light workout, because every step is a victory. So whatever setback you're facing, no, sa health, sa work, sa buhay, don't stay down. Find your first step today. Kahit may ubo ka pa, kahit may beard ka pa, gawin mo na. Walang perfect time. Ang time mo ay now. Tuloy lang ang laban, guys, no? To God be the glory. Lakas. Let's go.